It is finally time to unbox the motors from Stepperonline, which they've kindly sent over for this video and another. But look at this box. It's the same size as the Voron itself. Let's put it on its side. And not only that, they weigh pretty similar too, which is awesome. Enough talk, let's unbox. Oh, some stickers. I love stickers. I think I know what this is. Oh, this is cool. They included a spec sheet for the motors. This'll be handy. So, under this piece here. Yeah! Wait, these are awesome. I've never seen Nema 23s before. So these are huge. I'm gonna put this guy here. Let's grab the others. Absolutely phenomenal. Next layer. Yeah, these are not getting damaged in shipping. Oh, this is beautiful. Check that out! I'm hyped for Nema 17s, but these? I'm just blown away. Final one. Wow. Having 6 of them in front of me just like this, absolutely insane. Check out this cube of motors. Absolutely insane. These weigh like, what, a kilo each? How much do these weigh? These literally weigh 1.1 kilos each. All of these weigh as much as the printer. However, we are installing 2 of them. The other 4 are going on something monstrous.